Breastfeeding is a beautiful and rewarding journey, but it often comes with challenges, especially for mothers balancing work, home, and personal time. A well-structured pumping routine can make the process smoother and more manageable. Start by creating a schedule that aligns with your baby's feeding times. Typically, pumping every 2 to 3 hours helps maintain milk supply. Invest in a high-quality breast pump for efficiency and comfort, and ensure you have a quiet, clean space to pump. Proper storage is essential. Use sterilized containers and follow guidelines to refrigerate or freeze milk safely. Hydration and nutrition are key to maintaining milk production. Drink plenty of water and include nutrient-rich foods in your diet. Lastly, don't forget self-care. Breastfeeding can be demanding, and so rest when possible and seek support from lactation consultants or fellow moms. With preparation and commitment, pumping can seamlessly fit into your routine while supporting your breastfeeding goals.